Now, before we look at the majority opinion, let's take a quick look at the dissent from Justice Sotomayor, joined by Justices Kagan and Jackson. 5 years ago, this court recognized the general rule that religious and philosophical objections to gay marriage do not allow business owners and other actors in the economy and in society to deny protected persons equal access to goods and services under a neutral and generally applicable public accommodation law. The court also recognized the serious stigma that would result if purveyors of goods and services who object to gay marriages for moral and religious reasons were allowed to put up signs saying no goods or services will be sold if they will be used for gay marriages. Today, the court, for the first time in its history, grants a business open to the public a constitutional right to refuse to serve members of a protected class. Specifically, the court holds that the First Amendment exempts a website design company from a state law from denying wedding websites to same-sex couples if the company chooses to sell those websites to the public. The court also holds that the company has a right to post a notice that says no wedding websites will be sold if they will be used for gay marriages. Reading this opening to the dissent, I was reminded of a letter written by Dietrich Bonhoeffer that was quoted under the title of Theory of Stupidity. Against stupidity, we are defenseless. Neither protest nor the use of force accomplish anything here. Reasons fall on deaf ears. Facts that contradict one's prejudgment simply need not be believed. A quick look at the facts stipulated by both Ms. Smith and the state of Colorado shows that at no time did Ms. Smith deny services to people based on their sexual preferences. To facilitate the district court's resolution of the merits of her case, Ms. Smith and the state stipulated to a number of facts. Ms. Smith is willing to work with all people regardless of classification, such as race, creed, sexual orientation, and gender. And she will gladly create custom graphics and websites for clients of any sexual orientation. She will not produce content that contradicts biblical truth, regardless of who orders it. It appears that, as Mr. Bonhoeffer noted, for the dissenting justices, reasons fall on deaf ears, facts that contradict one's prejudgment simply need not be believed. It's like getting directions to drive from Nashville to Boston, but starting in San Diego.